Good morning, everybody. We're looking at another nice day. If you like Saturday, I think you're going to like Sunday too. Now, there may be a few more high clouds around this afternoon, but I do think inland areas should be able to get to the low to mid 60s, similar to what we had on Saturday. Now, along the south coast, notice the difference. You have mid 50s at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and that's because of that typical sea breeze effect. The sea breeze will be a little stronger today compared to yesterday, and so if you're walking in places like Jamestown, Newport, and Narragansett, you may get some breezes around 10 to 20 miles an hour during the afternoon, cooling things off. But hey, not a bad day to be outside. And then tonight, temperatures going into the 40s and 50s for the early evening. Then overnight lows generally in the low 40s with some rain showers arriving by Monday morning. Speaking of that, let's talk about it. You could see around, say, 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, some showers around. This may add a few minutes to your Monday morning commute. I don't see this as a huge impact to the Monday morning commute. Most of this should wrap up by the afternoon. This is 1 or 2 p.m. And for the drive home from work, I'm expecting mostly dry conditions. You may get a few additional showers there later Monday night into Tuesday morning. But I'd say the bulk of the showers fall from Monday morning into the early part of the afternoon. And then, you know what? This has been a tricky forecast. Right now, I would say that the Red Sox game would be played, but there may be some showers around, especially late in the day, towards the end of the game, maybe. So we'll keep you updated on this. But right now, I'm optimistic about this game forecast. But as we know, things can change, especially when the forecast is tricky like it is for Tuesday. Have a great weekend.